Understanding vintage find, a treasure from the past. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, vintage find. This term is not just about finding something old. It's about discovering a piece of history that has its own story. Let's dive into what makes a find truly vintage and why it's exciting. Vintage refers to something from the past, particularly items that are old but valuable. These items are often from a specific era, and their age adds to their charm and worth. Vintage items can include clothing, furniture, jewelry, and even cars. They are appreciated for their craftsmanship, design, and the nostalgia they evoke. A vintage find is when you discover something vintage unexpectedly or in an unlikely place. It could be at a garage sale, an antique store, or even in your grandmother's attic. The thrill of a vintage find lies in its unexpected discovery and the story behind the item. It's like uncovering a hidden treasure that has been waiting to be found. Vintage finds are special for several reasons. 1. Historical significance. They offer a glimpse into the past, showcasing styles and craftsmanship from a bygone era. 2. Uniqueness. These items are often one of a kind or rare, making them unique additions to collections. 3. Emotional connection. They often have sentimental value, connecting us to previous generations and their stories. 4. Sustainable choice. Buying vintage is a form of recycling, making it an eco-friendly option. To identify a genuine vintage find, consider these tips. Check the quality. Vintage items usually have superior craftsmanship. Look for signs of age. Genuine vintage items show signs of wear and age. Research the era. Knowing the characteristics of different eras can help you identify the authenticity of an item. Ask questions. If possible, learn about the item's history from the seller. Discovering a vintage find is like uncovering a piece of history that tells its own unique story. It's an exciting journey into the past that connects us with different eras and styles. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the charm and value of vintage finds. Happy hunting for your own vintage treasures!